Hello, good people. Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is the 3rd of, okay, it's 29th of November 2022 today. Well, we are here again. Who am I? Well, I'm your host. I'm the community member of the Dukas Copy trading community, and I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy. So you are surprised what we are going to do here? Well, we are going to do the technical analysis, or actually we will not be here doing technical analysis, but we will be doing the price action only. Okay. Sorry for my bad throat. It's been a while. MGA, hello everyone, glad to hear you back. Rakesh, thank you very much. MGA, welcome you back. You also, okay, so what we are going to do here in the next hour or maybe half an hour, what we are going to do is we are finding the key levels. We actually already know what are the key levels, and we are going to show you what are the key levels. If there are any changes, we will let you know. So now there will be not a long introduction in the beginning every time I'm here, because I think those who are following me, they already know that at 16:30 GMT we are doing this webinar almost every day, Monday to Friday. So what we are going to do, we are going to find out the key levels, and we will see how we can use them to our advantage, okay, to minimize the risk to reward ratio. And yeah, that's it. So I don't want to make it longer, so I will just quickly hop onto the charts. And before we go to the charts, I think we should go through the risk disclaimer first. That is essential. So let's go through that. Please pause the video here if you are first time here and watch this risk disclaimer. Understand it completely, because the foreign exchange is mostly traded on margin, and it's a leveraged product. So be responsible and take the risk wisely. Okay, that's it about it, and let's go to the charts. All right, guys, something. Do you see something familiar? Well, yes, this is dollar index. Why we look at the dollar index, by the way? Why we are here? Why we are looking at it? And do you notice something? Okay, I'll show you that there was a structure. The market structure was up. Okay, up until this place. Of course, this was the highest high, and in making this highest high, the price made this low here before making this high, this low here. And actually this is a bigger swing low, I can say. But if you ask me, actually this is the swing low. This becomes the swing low when there is a low on the either side of the low, which is higher than this one. It becomes a low. Okay, so this is the swing low. But why I'm considering this one? Because I want to keep it like this. Swing, move. I take it as a one move. Otherwise, there are two swing lows in this one also. This swing low and this swing low. Okay. But these swing lows are not important, because the price is trading within these lows for a long time, and then it is going in the direction of the trend. Well, I cannot explain you why it is happening and why I'm not taking those, but you just understand that this is the important swing low which we wanted to talk about. And as soon as it is broken, now this is acting as a resistance. All right, fair enough. Thereafter, what we had suspected till yesterday, we were thinking, okay, the price may break below 105.15, and then we may come back to retest this one and look for another selling opportunity. But that did not happen. If you remember that yesterday there was almost a pin bar on the 4 hour, and there was a lot of buying in the dollar because of this uh, euro was trading much below than the day's high yesterday at the time when we were doing the webinar. So right now the price has started going up from here. Okay, at least on the 4 hour, I will say, at least on the 4 hour it is going up. But is it a buying? Well, I cannot be sure, because on the 4 hour you see the structure is down. On the 4 hour the structure is down. Okay, low, high, low, low, high. Now, if I count this as a high and take this as a low, then see this high is already broken. And after breaking this high, the price failed to break this low. That means the lower low is yet to be made. Now, if I just, if I keep it like this, if I take this high and this low here, then the price is trading in a range, right? Now if the price goes higher from here, then an uptrend will be started, and this will become your valid low. And if the price goes below this, then a downtrend will continue, and this one will become your valid high. But as such, there is no high or low established out of these two, so we need to wait. So if the structure of the market is broken or not, we cannot be sure as of now, because the price is still trading here. When it trades above this level or it trades below this level, then only we will know. So all I can say is that it is now consolidation. But this is the 4 hour. If you switch to 1 hour, you will have more information. Okay, in that we have this low, high, low. So in that 1 hour, the structure of the market is broken, my friends. In 1 hour, the structure of the market is broken. That means there is a possibility the price going back to 107.64 and maybe even higher than that. Well, let us see how the things unfold. But you see, just now on the bigger time frame, that is 1 hour, it has broken the uptrending structure. So there is a possibility that the price will get rejected from this area, or maybe if not this area, maybe from 109.12 area. But if you ask me, okay, I will remove this channel and I will throw the Fibonacci retracement from this swing to this swing. Okay, so see, the 50% is in perfectly in line with 109.08. So yes, there is a possibility price going to that 50% and then coming back. Okay, but and in that case, the stop losses above these highs will be taken out, and I think that will be a better idea for the big sellers to open their positions to the short side. So 109.12 area is what I will be looking for selling opportunity, I think. Okay, but looking at this current price action, if you want to open buy positions, I will ask you not to do that. Okay, I will just write it. Do not buy it below. Till that time, till what time we are not going to buy? Okay, I just want to, okay, below, what is the high of this? Okay, I need to actually check what is this low here. What was, okay, this was the lowest low. Before making this low, the price made this high. This is broken, but after that, this one. All right, guys, I got it. I think till the time 110.76 area, and I will just fix it now here. 110.86 area. All right. Do not buy below 110.86. All right. Why I'm saying this? Because till the time this is not broken, we cannot be sure that the price, the market has entered an uptrend again. So since it has not entered an uptrend, we will be looking for only selling opportunities below that, and below this, the most the best selling opportunity that we can get, I think, is around 109.08 to 110.02. This area is a very important area where we can get the selling opportunity. Okay, this one. So keep an eye on this one, guys. That's all for the dollar index. Yes, it is a buy as of now, but we are not trading against the trend. So we will wait for the price to enter in a sell market structure. Okay, then only we will enter. What we can do is we can also create a rising channel. Okay, this is what we can create. When this channel breaks close to this, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity here. All right, guys, let's see the euro. So what I was talking about is euro yesterday could not maintain the highs of the day because of that rise in the dollar index, or you can say the broad buying of the dollar. Now, what is possible? What you will be looking for here? Here, the structure of the market is already broken, my friends. I'm just making it quick so that we are left with more time to talk. Okay. So you see, this was the downtrending market structure, right? Then the price started going up, did not break anything. Okay, but here this at this one, the price broke this high here. Okay, you see, when the price made this high here, it broke this one. Now this was your downswing pivot. Okay, now this was your downswing pivot. When this was broken, the price came back. Okay, although it has not come I will say although it has not come back to this low here to test this as a fresh support. You see the price has never come back to this area, so that's why I have made this rectangle. I think this is an area which can be an area of opportunity. Second time I will remove this so that you have an understanding. So from this rise till this candle here, the price has come back only to this area. This was not even 50% of the retracement. And if I even switch to the recent high that the price has made, this is the one, right? This is the one. So I will keep it here. If you see, even if I just keep it here, then also the 50% is almost in line with 1.0222 area. So I want price to come back to this area to offer me an opportunity to go long. This is one thing, but I think it will be still better if we get an opportunity in this zone. Why I'm saying, because 50% to 62% is a better zone to open the buy position. Now I think it is reasonable to enter long after the structure break. Which pair you are talking about? So the euro dollar, yes, euro dollar, it is good to go long, but will you enter long at the current prices? MJ, I will say not now. Okay, not now. One, daily candle is red. Two, the price has made a pin bar at the resistance of 1.04808. Now you should be looking for an area of opportunity, like maybe 50% retracement, which is in line with the strong horizontal support, which was the previous support also. But of course, this was the previous low. I think the price will go even lower than that this time, maybe to 62%. I'm just saying. Okay, now what you have to see here in this region is the bullish pin bar, bullish engulfing, something of that sort, or a simple market structure break. Now when the price is going down, you have to understand. Okay, I will make it for you on 1 hour. All right, so what is happening? You see, this is the area where we are expecting the support, right? What you have to do, you have to do the simple thing. Simple. MJ, you are my good friend. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. See, the market structure is now lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. There is a possibility of lower low, lower high. So this will keep on going till the time the price enters that zone which we are interested in, right? When the price enters in this zone, if there is buying in this zone, if there is a lot of longs opening in this zone, then the price will go up and break this recent high that the price has made, right? When this recent high is broken, it gives an alert to your brain that yes, now is the time to go long. Why? Because you just said that on the daily, now it's time to go long, right? You told me. Same way on the 1 hour, now it's time to go long. And when it's time to go long, what you're going to see is you're going to do something like this. You pull your Fibonacci, take here, and at 50% retracement from this high that the price has made after breaking this structure, 50% or 62%, you have to open long position with the stop loss here. When you place stop loss here, you have two stop losses actually in your trade. One is this horizontal support, one is this low that has been created by these big buyers. If they are supporting your price, you will see that the price straightway will hit about 1.0480. This is how you open the trades. Okay, I just gave you an ATM. Now you want to rewind this and see this again. Okay, this is how you enter a trade in the direction of the trend. All right, guys. So yeah, for the euro, I think it is already on the support of 1.03410, but I don't think that it will be holding in the coming time. I'm expecting this to go to 1.0222 area, maybe even lower than that to find some support, and thereafter it will go to 1.0480 to test that again, and maybe 1.0601 and 1.07862 in the coming time. But yeah, right now support is 1.03410 and the resistance is 1.04808. But I think it is headed towards taking this 1.0222 area. Okay, Great Britain pound. Yesterday euro was strong, but pound was still weak. Now today you see You see, euro was strong. It still managed to end the day in the green against the US dollar. You see, that's why I said that euro was positive, but the pound ended the day in the red. So although it has come back to that area of support, that is 1.1941 area, and this is where the price traded low yesterday. But today you see what is happening. It is an inside bar. When there is an inside bar, that means there is a tug of war between bulls and the bears, and they're trying to push price higher. The bears are trying to push prices lower. This is always there. But what is more likely to happen? If I ask you, will you buy the pound at the current levels with the targets of 1.2293? Well, personally, I will not buy it because I want lower prices. I see there is a confluence of supports. One is 1.1759 and there is one rising channel. So if I have to open the buy position, why will not I open at the lower prices rather than the so high prices? So yes, wait for the right time, right opportunity. In the same way, what you can do is, if you're waiting for this one, you can keep your eyes on this one. If you're waiting for this one, you keep an eye on this one, and then switch it to 1 hour, okay, 1 hour or 30 minutes or whatever you want to. Then if you're keeping an eye on this one, if you're keeping an so wherever you're keeping your eye on, okay, keep an eye there and look for a structure break like this. Okay, so you see here the price was coming down, then it made a high, then it broke the structure, something of that sort. Okay, I hope you got it right. If you have not got it, let me know. So you want a structure break, you want a structure break like this. This was a downtrend structure, then break. So you want a swing low to be formed in your area. You are not going to hunt something in their area. You are not going to hunt a tiger in the area of a tiger. You want the tiger to come into your zone, and then you push a bullet in his head, right? So this is how you're going to hunt. You are not going in their area and hunt it. Okay, so don't try this. Okay, I am sorry if my analogy is wrong, but yeah, that is what I mean to say. You let it come to a cheaper value, then you open the long. Or what otherwise you can do is actually on 4 hour or maybe even 1 hour, you can simply create this falling channel. Yes, you can simply create this falling channel, and when this channel breaks to the top side, you will know that the trend has restarted, or you can say that the trend has resumed the uptrend. Okay, so that's it for the pound. Where are the supports and the resistance? Let me tell you first. Immediate support will be provided by 1.1941 level, okay, and the resistance will be provided by 1.2293 for this market. After 1.1941 is broken, we may get support at around 1.1759 or 1.1760 area. All right. Australian dollar bearish pin bar on the daily, it is at the resistance. Now this is suggesting me that there is a possibility of the Australian dollar going down further. Is there any pattern forming? But there is no pattern forming, but I see that after this push from here, the price has barely retraced, and it is not able to, even this bullish Marubozu is not able to push the prices away from these two highs that the price has made. Now what does it suggest? That these highs can only be broken or tested when there are more buying power. Now the more buying power can come if you see there are not enough buyers from here. Where can they enter? They will be looking for entering the position at 50% retracement or the downswing pivot that has just been broken. So expect this area to be an area of buyers. I'm just saying, okay, expect this area to be filled with buyers and expect the market to go like this, boom. Okay, just expect. I'm not saying that it will happen, but expect. If something like this happens, you can enter the long with a small stop loss below this, which will be 50% and the downswing period also. But right now, if you ask me where is the resistance, man, okay, resistance is 0.6733 area, support is at around 0.6547 area. In the similar way for the New Zealand dollar, there is nothing much on this one. Well, the upswing pivot for this one was here, so the price is already traded much after the upswing pivot was broken. 0.6060 is, I think, a very good buying opportunity. Around this area I will be looking for the buying, but if this price level does not hold 0.6060, if it fails to hold for the New Zealand dollar, I will become a seller again in this one, because in that case the structure of the market will be broken. Okay, but yes, where is the resistance? 0.6231. Where is the support? 0.6060. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. If you have any suggestions, if you have any other currency pair, or maybe some other request, you can ask me in the chat and I will be very happy to answer that. Okay, so this is US dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is weekly. There's a lot of hodgepodge because I was trying to study this chart for some time, but rather than studying, I will just say that you see this weekly candle, this current weekly candle, it is so bullish in nature that it is suggesting that the price may be going to hunt this 1.3832 region. Yeah, look at the daily. Look at the daily. This is the daily candle. This is a 1-day candle. 34.26 to 36.26. Not a joke. 200 pips for the US dollar against the Canadian one. Don't you think that the Canadian dollar is going down? I can bet you that the Brent is going down. Brent is dipping. It is moving towards 65. I bet you. I have not seen that chart, but I bet you, because the Canadian dollar cannot fall that much. Okay, Canadian dollar is falling because the crude will be going down. So in any case, if it closes the day higher than this falling channel, and that will be 62% retracement also from this one, so this downtrend will be negated and the price will be going towards 1.3832. In the process, it may come back to retest this 1.3502 area to find it as a fresh support. Okay, and then target around 1.3832. Hey Anwar Usman, Euro New Zealand, you want to see? All right, we will see that, but I think that will be churning Euro New Zealand, because both are going in the down direction. Okay, anyways, we'll see that Euro New Zealand. Okay, so yeah, USD CAD has no resistance, at least till this low of the candle, that is 1.3681. So I expect this price will keep going up till 1.3681. But you want to buy it now? I will say don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Okay, don't buy. Just have a look at it or how it unfolds. So support is 1.3502, resistance is 1.3681, this for intraday, and after that 1.3832 in the long run. USD CHF is a buy. Okay, why it is a buy? It has held this area has held as a support. Now we are just looking for this double bottom to break. Now, do you remember what is double bottom? Well, this is something like downtrend, then two bottoms are formed at the same levels, then this reaction high, when it is broken, that is called double bottom breakout. Now this is the reaction high. I am just keeping it on my chart. So this is the reaction high. I will label it as reaction high. Okay, so this is our reaction high. When this reaction high is broken, how can we trade this pattern? We can trade this pattern like this. Okay, in this case you will have buying opportunity something around here. So where is the support now, guys? The price is already trading above the daily support of 0.9479, and the daily resistance actually is already been tested 0.9546. See, the price has made a high of 0.9545, which was just one pip away from our level of interest. Now I think the price may come back again to test this 0.9479 before it makes a move further. But yes, US dollar is strong as of now against the Swiss franc, and you see this low that the price has made, this recent low was not even lower than this one. Now when something like this happens and then the double bottom breaks, then it is even more explosive in nature to go up. So if this breaks, I think the price can go back to 0.9737 and thereafter 0.9849 also in the coming time. Okay, but don't you think that this swing that the price has created, the 50% of this will be acting as a resistance? Don't you think that? Don't you think that? And you also notice that how 50% is aligning itself with the upswing broken pivot. So yeah, be careful about this also. Be careful about this region. All right, So USD JPY is entered in the sell zone. The yen were getting stronger and stronger, and US dollar getting weaker and weaker day by day. And there is no buying, at least at the current levels. You can see yesterday there was a doji, today there is just selling. Even though the dollar is bullish in the daily candle, you see dollar is good, but dollar yen is not doing good. That means yen is stronger, yen is pushing dollar down, and it may extend the losses. USD/JPY may extend the losses to 135.49, and after that, even after that, I am thinking that there is a possibility of going to 130.39 also. So now you can say you can safely say, okay, this is the peak of the mountain, and now we had climbed the mountain from 103 levels all the way up. Now it's time for us to go down. Okay, to what extent you can go, I don't know, really I don't know, but 135.49 is the next stop. That is what I can say. Okay, silver, I'm bullish on this one. I'm bullish on silver. I have been telling for long time, I mean for very long time, from the July this year, I have been telling that, okay, I'm bearish on silver, I'm bearish on silver, I'm bearish on silver, I'm bearish. But now I'm saying I'm bullish on silver. All right, I'm bullish on silver, guys. Silver means up, up, up. 22.06 is what we are looking for, and thereafter we are looking for even further. So okay, on the 4 hour I want to show you something. These are the areas that I was saying is an area of interest. Now see this downswing pivot, which is broken. Okay, downswing pivot is broken. That means now when the downswing pivot is broken, that means this area is going to be attracting the buyers, and it is attracting buyers. You see how this 21.11 area is attracting buyers. So if all these areas are attracting buyers, then where is the price going? The price is going to test the resistance of 22.06, and even after that I am bullish. After that 22.77, 22. So there's a lot to be gained in the silver. Silver is going to go up. Okay, till the time I'm not saying it, silver is going up, guys. Where is the immediate resistance? 22.06. Where is the immediate support? 21.11. Gold also on the similar lines. We are expecting 1808. Actually, I am not bullish on the gold. That's what I'm saying, because it is moving in a triangle now. I have just anticipated that this movement will be contained by this triangle, and then it may break to the top side to 1808. But till the time the price is not trading well above 1808 for 1 or 2 days, I will not be bullish on this one, because this downswing pivot, this one has not yet been broken. Oh, oh, I'm so big fool. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I am saying it on the live stream, but yes, I'm so sorry. There's something wrong with me. You see there has been a market structure break long back. How can we just, okay, you see this high here, then this was the low, then this was the high made. This was not counted as low because this was the lower low. So this was the lower low. You see that? And before making this low, the price made this high here. So this becomes your swing, downswing pivot. Okay. Hello Forex SMC. Welcome to the stream, bro. So this was your swing pivot, and in case this swing pivot is broken, so you will be looking for the buying opportunities, and you see these lows could not go below this one. Is it better than TradingView? Are you talking about this platform? This is the J Forex trading platform. It is Java based. Is it better than TradingView? I cannot say it is better than TradingView, other than the trading alerts that you get on the TradingView. This is much better than the TradingView. Just that it does not have server side alerts. That is what I would love to see on the JForex platform. If it gives you server side alerts, it is so much easy for you to trade on this one. All right, but still it is better to draw. That's why I'm using it. So what I was trying to say here is that this low and this side, this becomes your downswing pivot, I think. This becomes your downswing pivot, and if it becomes your downswing pivot, then this downswing pivot was broken here. Thereafter, these lows were support. Okay. Also, you can see this was a triple bottom sort of structure, or say double bottom sort of structure. Then this was the reaction high. After break, this is now acting as a support. Yes, there is a possibility that the price will go up, but my 1808 area is very critical. 1808. Okay, thanks, bro. Okay, so 1808 area is where the next resistance is, but yes, the structure has already been broken, and now we have, okay, after this break, we have low, this high, so this becomes your down upswing pivot now. So this becomes your upswing pivot. Wow, I was so bad. I'm so sorry, guys, about this. How I just failed to notice this high here. Okay, so yes, this has already started. Now uptrend has already started, but we have a very crucial resistance at 1808. This was a support here. Thereafter, it started acting resistance here and here also. So we are expecting this to be a good resistance here. Any close above 1808, I will be all bullish on the gold if it trades above 1808. Okay. Brent is trading like 83.60 to 84.66 is where it is trading. I think 83.60 to 87.35 is the current day's range, and that range has not been explored. Okay, yesterday there was a Polish, almost a Marbozu. The falling channel. All right, these tops are taken out. So what we are expecting actually here, we were expecting a close on that falling channel above the channel resistance. That happened. There was no follow-up. Price came back in. All right, guys, I think if there is a formation of small head and shoulder here, although it is not complete at the bottom. What's your opinion on SMC trade? I really don't know what is SMC. So this is shoulder, this is head. There is a formation of another shoulder. Maybe if it breaks, then you can look for a buying opportunity like this. I just hope something like this may be formed. All right, I'm sorry, Forex SMC, I really don't know what is SMC. We are only talking about the price here and the patterns. What is this SMC? Well, you can teach us about that if you want to in the chat. Support is 83.60. That is where I think we will be keeping our eye on. And on the higher side, 87.359 is the area of resistance. And if you think, like I am saying, that there is a possibility of inverse head and shoulder forming here, then this is what you can expect. But right now, I am not in a position to say anything like about buy or sell. It seems like 83.60 levels are holding, and the intraday low was 83.64, 87.35. Okay, and this becomes your downswing pivot now. So these are the important levels, guys. 89.53, I think we will keeping our eye on. If that breaks, I think we can safely say that the uptrend has resumed in this market. So it's smart money concepts like order blocks, liquidity, etc. Breaks of structure. Hello, Forex SMC. I think I have heard about them and I am studying them in the background. Okay, but from a long time, because I am working on my what do you call it, key levels and support and resistance levels. I have a mindset of still I have still a mindset of support and resistance. Okay, but I am what do you call, I am changing myself from that to the breaks of structures, smart money concept, order blocks, liquidity, but I'm not using that language here now because I don't want to confuse anyone. All right, because I'm not sure about how that works properly. So once uh, I have learned that, maybe when I start using that, implementing that, maybe I will use that. But here I cannot use that language because the language that my viewers understand, that is not smart money concept and order blocks and liquidity. Of course, I know what they are. All right. I hope you understand that. Because if I start, I just use this in my today's webinar that, okay, that I will show you where did I use that. So here is when I use that once this low is broken, the liquidity will be taken out and the big buyers may enter here. That is the language that I'm using. I'm not saying smart money, but I just hope you understand, okay, how that works. So here also we have support at 83.60, 87.35 is the resistance for this market. Well, euro against the Australian dollar is still intact in that range, 1.5682 and 1.5277. Till the time this range is not broken, you cannot be sure of the higher move or the lower move for that matter. But we are expecting, because our bias is bullish. In this one, you see that these two double bottoms and this was the reaction high has been broken. Now they're reacting as a support. All I can say is that there's a lot of buying happening here, maybe, which is getting ready for the price to go back to 1.6153 that the price had seen in the on the 6th of February this year. All right, so I'm expecting the price to now shoot up anytime, then go like this, zoom. All right, guys, USD ZAR was heavy, like we spotted it yesterday, that there is a possibility of testing 16.9761. Now that has been tested. But the price has not seen the lower lows than the previous one here. This was the low here, 16.90, and that has not been broken. Of course, the price has also taken support here. Now, I'm very sensitive when I'm saying about this thing. I was actually expecting a lower low to be made today, but it did not happen. So I will go cautious on this one till the time the price is trading above 16.97619 for the USD ZAR. I will not be opening any short positions thereafter in this one till the time this high, I'm sorry, not this high, this high, that is, I will just now mark it because this has become now our pivot. Label it as downswing pivot. Why will I name it as downswing pivot? Because if the price goes above this, then this structure of the market will be broken, right? So now here comes SMC, here comes the market structure break, right? I'm removing this one. Yes. All right. So this is where we were expecting resistance. The price has already gone below, so we will remove that also. So till the time now this is not breaking, I will not be buying it, but I'll not be even selling this because the price is looking like it is taking support at this region, which was a very important region in the previous time. Okay, so I will be cautious around this market. So 16.97619 is the immediate support for the market. Resistance is sitting at 7.3045. Thereafter 7.5512. Dollar against the Chinese yuan. Like I told yesterday also that it is looking, dollar is getting banged, whatever you can say actually. Below 7.1911, it is weak and it can extend its losses to all the way down to 7.01233. Why I am not thinking about these lows? Because I think these are the lows for which the dollar is going to get, because below these will be resting the stop losses. Like now SMC, if you are happy with that, so there is residing a lot of liquidity. What is the liquidity here? In which form? In the form of buy stops. Now they have buying here and they will have sell stops here. Sorry, not buying stops, they will have sell stops here. So they will sell at the market if the price goes below that. I think that is what the price or that USDCNH is trying to grab here. All right. That's why I don't use that language, because it is very confusing for the viewers. But simply put, yes, the price has got resistance here. At the resistance, you have got a bearish engulfing candle and a bearish pin bar which closed below the resistance, and now the price has no support on the way down to 7.0123. So yes, it is moving down. That's all. GBP JPY, okay, like we have claimed that it may keep churning here around for some time, or maybe even if it extends its lower to the lower side, it can extend to 162.73 also. But I am expecting the price to keep going here, because the pound and the yen both are getting stronger. So this range is for the slight moves of the pound against the yen. So 169.08 to 165.63 is the zone where I think the pound will be trading, and this zone may offer us some opportunities if we want to trade in the long directions only. Actually, I want to trade in the long direction only for the pound. But if it breaks below this 162.73, I will become a seller in the GBP JPY. Till the time it does not break below this zone, I will not be a seller in this one. Okay. Right now, these two are the zones of support and resistance. Keep an eye on these two key levels. Euro JPY, although I'm bullish on the Euro JPY in the long run, but right now the price is making lower highs and lower lows in this one also. So 140.97 is still, I am bullish on this one, but if I see that 140.97 is breaking and the price is trading below that, maybe I will become a seller in this one also. All right. Right now the price has a resistance of 144.07 and 140.97 is the support. You see on the 4-hour the price tried to go up but was rejected badly. Actually, not today. Yes, yesterday the price tried to go up and was rejected badly, and now it is trying to go even lower. These lows taken out and the price goes back to 140.97, trades below that, I'll be not very happy with that. And thereafter the price may even extend to 139 and 137.34. Make some sense? All right, gas we are bullish on this one because it has broken this small structure here, that is the triangle or ascending triangle. After breaking ascending triangle at this zone of resistance, now this was the zone of resistance, right? Now that area is acting as a zone of support for the price. Okay, and this was an area of opportunity for us to long in this direction. But you see, today's candle is a bearish candle and it is getting rejected at 7.4041. That was an area, 7.4041 was an area which we had marked in the past, where we were saying that this is a very crucial area. Okay, maybe this low here. Okay, so this was a crucial area. We need a close above that again for us to become buyers. So it has stuck between this tight range. If it goes above this, I think we will become buyers again. And if you really want to take risk, you can buy at the current levels also. Or what you can do is on the 1 hour, you can simply see from where it started going down, and you can create a small channel joining the highs and the lows, and then when it clears above this channel's high, you can be sure, okay, downtrend is finished, and you can become a buyer again. Make some sense, guys? All right, so what will be the targets in this one? Well, we have huge targets for the gas on the upside. It extend even to the $10 value. So 7.4041, after that 8.11, 9.22 and 10.00. These are the levels of interest in the coming days in gas. You see, we had shorted up below 7.40 here, and we had gained the levels of 5.325, which was our target. After that, now there is a break of structure, we become buyers. Now still we are buying it with the targets of 10.003. okay, in this market. USA 30, this is Dow Jones. How beautifully are the levels being respected? How beautifully. This was the bigger level of interest and it has been rejected. Now where is the price headed? At least 33,144 is what we are expecting in this one here. break of that will extend the losses to 32,667. On the upside, we have immediate resistance at 34,009 and after that 32,287. Yes, keep in mind if 34,287 is broken, then we have a huge order flow. You can see that these stop losses here and stop losses here, they will get what's the best course you would suggest to learn technical analysis? Wait, let me finish. We have just one and then we'll talk about that. So 34 to 87, when these levels actually this high, I will say, not 34 to 87, I think 34 350, not this one even, the high. Okay, so this one 34 384, it is a high. 34 384, yeah. So this is the level. I think when this is taken out, we can see 35 383 also, but we need a candle closing above that on the daily channel, on the daily, for us to see 35 383. Last is Ethereum. Ethereum I had decided to include because one of our viewers wanted to have a look at the Ethereum, that is LS. Now LS, if you are still looking at this chart, I think as soon as you see the price going back to 1261, you will see a lot more sellers emerging here in this market. Maybe they will be short selling, that is one thing, or second, if they could not close their position at the higher prices, they will be looking to close their positions here, because if they're technical analysts, they will know that this price is not going to come back again. So this range is very crucial for you till the January 23rd or February 23rd, because if there are buyers, they will push the prices high now from 1261. If there are no more buyers, then I think you should not be here in this Ethereum as well, because after 1072 is taken down, 875 is coming, and if 875 is taken down, then there is no price below 2361. All right, so keep an eye on this area 1261. That is a very good area of resistance. So yes, my friend, Forex SMC, what's the best course you would suggest to learn technical analysis? Friend, you want to learn the technical analysis, first of all, you go to the babypips.com and get inducted in the Baby Pips school. There is, I think I have done it like 15 years back, 10 to 15 years back. It's called School of Pipsology. You just go through all the things that are there, and if you are going to go for a book, well, I did not read any book whatsoever. I only went through the Baby Pips, and then there's my own practice, and now I am looking for something else, a different approach to the markets. We will talk about that in some other video. Consider subscribing to the channel Forex SMC if you are there. Well, this is not my channel, this is the channel of Lucas Copy Webinars, but still I would say that I hope you got the idea about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest. I wanted to actually finish, but then I see that Anwar had a request of about Euro New Zealand. Anwar, you are still there? Anwar, you are still there? Are you still there, Anwar? Okay, we will still do Euro New Zealand. He can watch it later. So we always go top to down. Top down approach is our approach of technicals. We have limited data from 2006 onwards only, but that is sufficient. So what is the structure of the market? Up. Okay, from here we have a top. Okay, and this is the range of 3 years. Thereafter we have this high here, and then we have this high, this low here. Okay, yes, he's very good, Anwar. And current month has a range of this and this. So where are the swing highs and swing lows? So you can keep your swing highs and swing lows also. All right, guys, I think I'm done with the monthly. Then I will switch to the weekly just to see what is happening here. All right, so on the weekly, when I notice that from here the price tried to go lower to this value, then it broken this market structure, but again went lower. That means lower than this one. So this became your swing high, and then price traded inside and broke the swing high. Now see, euro became strong against the New Zealand dollar in this week. This is 25th of September. Okay, this week, 25th of September, the week of 25th September, it became stronger and stronger than this 30th of January. So now you know that on weekly it is strong, and now it may be coming here to find support. Just saying, okay, this is just a saying as of now. Then we got Fibonacci retracements from this rise to this one here. It has already come to 50% and also to the important level of 1.6571. I'm switching to, okay, not weekly now. I think this is an important level to keep an eye. The rest all the levels are covered. Sorry. So I will now switch to daily. On the daily, we are actually expecting an up move in this one on the weekly. Okay, in the long term, we are expecting an up move. So we will measure this down move, and we would like to see this downtrending channel to be broken on the daily chart, right, Osman? Have you got till this one here? So this is a strong support, no doubt about that. Okay, no doubt about that. 1.657. But has it broken the structure of the daily chart? Yes. Why? How can we say that? You see this? The price was making lower highs, lower lows here. You see this? The price made lower highs and lower lows. And here, this high here has broken this high. You got it? This high has broken this high. Now, I'm switching it to 4 hour for this to be even more clear. On the 4 hour, you see, after making this low, the price made this high. After making this low, the price made this high. Okay, I will just remove it now. Low, high, low, high. Then again, I don't think this is a low, but yes, I will consider this as low, this high, low, same high almost, low, this was a high, this was a low, and this was a high. So you know that the structure is broken at least on the 4 hour. You can say, yes, the market is looking to go up. Is it not? So what you're going to do is, you are going to maybe go like this. Yes, the market has gone much below, and 50% is getting rejected again and again. Okay, this, see, I would have asked you to open the buy positions at 62%. Okay, but this is not the case. So on the 1 hour, I will say the ones who are selling at the 50%, push them out of the market. Okay, you make something like this, and then you will see that the market has already closed a 1 hourly candle right now. Let's close a 1 hourly candle above this falling channel. So yes, there is buying and the price is going up. There's no doubt about that. Okay, it will take time. It will take time. There is, because see, this is a long term trade that I'm talking about. This is a weekly trade I'm talking about, and this is a very crucial level. So there may be a building of positions in a big range here. Okay, the buying may be happening here, the buying may be happening here, the buying may be happening even here. So there's a long range, oh sorry, there's a big area where there may be position building here. So how you can be sure that yes, now is the time for opening the buy trades? Clara Okadipo, hello Rakesh, miss your analysis. Thank you so much for joining, Clara, but I hope you will be able to see it in the live, not live, but what we call it, recorded videos. Okay, we had some good analysis here today. So you see that this structure on the 1 hour is also broken. You see, my friend, now I'm talking to Anwar only. So the structure on the 1 hour, when it started to go down, you know that you are looking for a structure which is uptrending, right? So as soon as the downtrending structure breaks, which is happening here, you should be looking for a buying opportunity. Now your buying opportunity is residing somewhere here, this zone. Really, this is an area of opportunity where you should be looking for buys. And if you look for buys here, 6655 area to 6660 area, your stop loss can be only 100 points, like 6550 area. Okay, and where you will be your target? First target will be here, like 300 to 300 points. Okay, I hope you got this, guys. Well, now at the end, I just want to ask you, how are you guys feeling? How are you doing? It's been long time no see. So anyway, guys, 16:30 GMT every day we are going to be here, and you are most welcome to join. And I have added my Skype handle as well as my uh, my YouTube channel's link to that. You can follow that. And if I am posting any live trade, I think I will record that trade and post it to you when I'm doing it live, so that you will have an idea how I do trading, right? And this is here. So you have also a small image of the channel's name. With the channel's name, you have a small video image also. You can just search for this, look for it, and subscribe if you want to. Okay, I hope you get some idea about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming days and hours. Please, 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 I cannot stress it more. Just keep in mind to not to risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Look for a potential profit of more than 3 times at least the risk that you're going to take. When you do this, 1%, reducing the risk to 1%, okay, you will not gain much. You will only gain 3%. But this is how you grow. Okay, this is to be done. Did not say hello as I had joined slightly late. It's okay, Anwar. Thank you very much for joining here. And please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos if you are new here. Have a profitable day. Thank you very much for joining. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.